Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can record voice note on iPhone. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to open up your voice memo application on your iPhone. If you're unable to see the voice memo application, then what you can do is you can simply type in voice memo on the search box, and then you'll be able to find the voice memo application. And as you open up your voice memo application, this is what the interface is going to look like. You can see that red circle right at the bottom is the start button. As you press on it, the recording will start. As I've mentioned before, that as you press on the circle button, as the recording will start, and this is what the interface is going to look like. And in case if you want to pause it for a while, then you can simply tap on resume, which is right at the bottom. And in order to continue again, you need to click on the option that will appear right at the bottom. As you tap on done, the voice recording will stop, and then you'll be able to find the recording right on this page, and you can enhance the quality of the recording. In case if you want to edit the recording, then you need to select the recording till there, and then you need to tap on trim. In case if you want to delete this particular voice note, then you can simply tap on delete, which is in the bottom right. So that is how you can record voice note on iPhone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.